Okay, so in addition to using structures as value parameters like I did in the previous example, here I'm going to demonstrate using one in a value returning function. So you can use them like you do any other data type. You can make them value parameters, you can make them reference parameters, you can use them in value returning functions as your return type. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take all this code out of my main program, and I'm going to put it in a function called getEmployee data. Okay, so here's my code from up above. So this function, it's going to get the employee information, it's going to return the employee variable back to main. The data type of this is payroll, so that's going to be the return type for my function. Okay, and then inside of my function I need to declare my payroll variable. Okay, if you're wondering why I'm not putting that in the parameter list, in this example, employee is not coming in to the parameter list from main, and it's not going out through main. It's just being returned via this return statement right here. Okay, so that's all I need to do. Now, I spelled payroll wrong here, so let me just fix that. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to put in my prototype. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to add the prototype for this function. Note again, it's after the structure, so my program at this point knows what payroll is, and now I've got to call my function. Okay, and this is where I took my code out of here. Okay, get employee data, it doesn't have any parameters. So there's my function call, but remember this is a value returning function, so the function call needs to be part of another statement. So in this case I'm going to make it an assignment statement. So it's going to get the employee data in the function, it's going to return it back and store it right in this variable. So my program's going to run just as it did before, right? I'm using different numbers all the time. All right. Okay. And that shows you how these structure variables can be used in value returning functions as return types, just like any other variable.